Caitlin Martin, April 11, 2023. This is my week 4 presentation for Genetics 1040. Gene therapies are an important way to treat inherited and acquired diseases. They work by giving cells new genes that can fix problems or fight the diseases. At first, gene therapies were only used for inherited diseases, but now they are being used for other diseases like cancer. Scientists have made a lot of progress in gene therapy. They've created many different treatments that use genes or cells modified with genes. Some of these treatments have already been approved as drugs. One way to add new genes to cells is by using viruses that have been changed to be safe. These viruses can be transferred to cells without hurting them. However, there are still challenges to overcome before gene therapy can be used more widely. One challenge is how to deliver new genes into cells. One way to do this is to use something called CRISPR. This is a tool that can cut DNA in a specific place so that new genes can be added. But adding new genes this way is still tricky and needs more testing. Scientists are also looking into gene therapy to edit genes in eggs, sperms, or embryos. This can be used to prevent diseases from being passed on to children. However, this is still a controversial topic and needs more research to be safe. There has been many successful clinical trials for gene therapy. For example, scientists have used gene therapy to help people with hemophilia. Hemophilia is a disease that stops blood from clotting properly. In one trial, scientists used a virus to add a gene that made a special blood clotting protein to cells in the liver. This helped people with hemophilia produce more of the protein and improve their symptoms. Gene therapy is also being used to treat blindness caused by genetic mutations. In one study, scientists used a virus to add a gene into cells in the eye that helped people see better. This can be a breakthrough for people with genetic vision problems. There's also studies looking at using gene therapy to treat Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's is a disease that affects the brain and makes it hard to move. Scientists are testing ways to add genes to the brain cells to help them work better. This could be a big help for those with Parkinson's disease. Another way to use gene therapy is by taking out cells from a patient's body and adding new genes to them outside the body. Then the cells are put back into the patient's body to fight diseases. This is called ex vivo gene delivery. Scientists have been using this method to treat certain types of cancer. For example, they've used this method to help the body fight leukemia, a type of blood cancer. In conclusion, gene therapy is an important area of medicine that has the potential to help many. While there are still challenges to overcome, scientists have made a lot of progress and are continuing to test new treatments. Gene therapy could be the key of curing many diseases and improving the lives of people who are suffering.